Want to make your videos more engaging by adding text that pops? Whether it's captions, titles, or annotations, adding text can take your content to the next level. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to add text to your video. Let's get started. First things first, head over to quso.ai and log into your account. If you're new here, signing up is quick and free. Once logged in, click on Create Blank Project and upload your video by dragging it into the editor or pasting a YouTube link directly. Now let's add some text. Click on the Text tab in the toolbar on the left-hand side. You'll see an option to add text. By clicking on it, you will be able to place a text box onto your video. Simply click inside the text box and start typing. Your changes will appear instantly on screen. Not only that, you can easily drag the text box anywhere on the canvas to reposition it, or use the corner handles to resize it. But wait, if you want to enhance the appeal and the look of the text, with quso.ai, you can fully customize your text to match your style with advanced styling options. Change fonts, colors, and sizes directly from the styling panel on the top of the video canvas. Add effects like block, background, shadows, or outlines to make your text stand out. Want your text perfectly synced with specific moments in your video? Then you can customize timing by setting when your text appears and disappears using the timeline controls. Once you're happy with your video and all the amazing text you've added, it's time to export. Click on Download, choose your desired resolution, 1080p for high quality, and let quso.ai do its thing. Once rendered, download your video directly to your device or share it straight to social media platforms. And that's it. Adding text to videos has never been this easy or this fun with quso.ai. Whether you're creating captions for accessibility or adding stylish titles for branding, quso.ai gives you all the tools you need. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments what feature you'd like us to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on creating amazing content.